Alright, super deja vu because it feels like I've been here before. I am going to do the 3 60-second sketches to catch up for this month, for this present day. I am drawing Mike, Lou, and Og for the TV show from Cartoon Network, Mike, Lou, and Og. If you have not seen the show, I love it. Anyways, I'm going to draw them 3 in 60 seconds respectively, so 3 minutes will be on the clock for all 3. And then we will go and finish them off from there. I just want to thank you so much for watching. If I don't get to upload one for next week's video, I should be able to. Sorry for the long intro, but have a beautiful Merry Christmas. I will be sadly at work, but it's okay. I enjoy my job. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start drawing Mike, Lou, and Og in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Perfect.
Jumping high, it's an island where nobody knows. Ain't no burger stand, ain't no disco band, on the island where nobody goes.
Wow. I have to say I'm genuinely impressed on this. I'm not gonna lie, I was trying to do my best to stick it to like a minute for each of them for Mike, Lou, and Og. I am very, very impressed on this, and this one is probably one of my best 60-second sketches in my personal opinion, next to probably Double D. That's it. I'm just keeping this one like this. In 1 minute we have Mike, in a minute we have Lou, and in the last minute we have Og. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and hot sauce, and have a beautiful weekend, and stay warm for half of the country, stay cool for the other half, stay dry for just about everywhere else, and thanks so much. Till next time. Oh, wow.